the nut sack pain experiment, I have attached a chip bag clip to my skin down there. Nothing. Doesn't hurt at all. Nothing. No pain. Then we did the crescent wrench. It's not really hurting. It's a little pinch. Pressure. No pain. Now, today, we're doing spring clamp. This has got some real force behind it. That's a tough, mean spring in there. Let's see if I get any pain on my nut skin. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so through the underwear I'm going to grab some skin on the nut, not the ball. I want to have children still, some more children. I'm a little worried about this. This is really, look at this thing. There's some force there. I mean, this is meant to hold up sheets and things that are heavy. All right, here we go. And ow. Okay, that's hurting. I'm feeling pain on this one. I think we're done here. Yeah, that's not pressure, that's pain. Okay. So here we go. We finally found the limits of the nutsack pain. It is the spring clamp, which is kind of good because the next step was a mouse trap, and I can't lose any more. I can't go up any octaves in my voice, and I don't want to be a woman.